Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac runs a recent iOS or Mac OS, otherwise screen time features may differ. Once done, unlock the device and sign into your Apple ID if required. Keep your device passcode handy. Now open Settings on iPhone/iPad or System Settings on Mac, then navigate straight to Screen Time or Focus. This is where you control access. You're starting the process. Do not skip the passcode and Apple ID steps. You now configure screen time to restrict Safari's private browsing. First, enable content and privacy restrictions and set a screen time passcode. This is separate from your device passcode. Then choose content restrictions, right arrow web content, pick limit adult websites or allowed websites only to control access. Next, remove Safari from always allowed or explicitly limit websites. By doing this, you prevent opening new private tabs. Make sure to save the screen time passcode somewhere secure. You'll need it to change restrictions later. Finish by testing Safari. Open it and try to create a private tab. You should be blocked or unable to access restricted sites. If private mode still opens, restart the device and double-check that Screen Time's content restrictions are active and the correct passcode is set. If you forget the Screen Time passcode, use your Apple ID to reset it in the Screen Time settings. Otherwise, a full device restore may be required. One troubleshooting tip: reboot and reapply restrictions before more drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.